Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card love reading after this general guidance. So that reading may answer your doubts or some confusions. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's see what are these cards first. Scorpios. So we have Two of Swords, Ten of Cups in reverse, and Six of Pentacles. So Scorpios, today you are in a circumstance, maybe you are helping the people who are close to you, maybe your friends or family members. So they are helping you or you are helping them, and you feel really happy to be with them, and you have that sense of gratitude in your heart that you are in a good position and you are able to help them and support them in whatever ways possible for you. So some kind of peace of mind or happiness because of the way things are going today, guys, in your situation. So it may be in your career situation or in your relationship, guys. So it may be that person's energy, maybe they are helping you today, guys. So that may also be the energy here. And I also see that it may be in your relationship or career you are seeing some difficulties. Maybe things are not what they seem to be. It's not up to your expectation, maybe the results or maybe the way things are unfolding today. So you see certain things not going in the right way for you, guys. So you feel really sad, maybe some delays in your work, some projects, it may get delayed or suspended, or the returns for your work may not be up to expectation. So some kind of sadness because of that. And maybe in this relationship you have done so much for this person, you have helped them a lot, you were in deep love with them, you expected this person also to feel the same way, maybe reciprocate your feelings, but they are not that. They have their own ideas, and they are not so deeply involved like you in this love, in this connection, guys. So they are distancing themselves from you. So some kind of sadness you feel, guys. So you are making some honest decisions today, guys, Scorpios. You love this person, but they do not share that kind of love towards you. So in your heart of hearts, you know what you need to do. You cannot just hold on to someone who does not reciprocate the same emotions you have for them. So you are making some important, honest decisions, and that may be really paining you a lot today, guys. But you are making that choice whether to go, whether to carry on with this relationship or not. So let's see what is the card for your relationship, guys. It's Tower. So maybe this difficult situation, this honest decision may be in your relationship, guys. Maybe for some of you this relationship may not work, this may not be this person may not be your best fit, guys. So though you are sad for the way things are, this connection may not work, and some kind of a separation or a temporary break is what I see, guys. So there are changes, inevitable changes, and you feel helpless, Scorpios, but these changes are necessary, guys. It is going to change the way things are in your relationship, guys, Scorpios, in your love life. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. It's Five of Swords. So you are making a lot of efforts in your career, guys, and it is really overwhelming you. You feel really burdened, but your efforts will never go for waste. You need to understand that. So all that hard work and effort is going to take you towards success, Scorpios. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards, and that is the reading for you all today, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, guys, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. We will see what it is. So for those who chose this card, the first card, a change in the wind. So that is the card for you all, guys. So in your circumstances, you are preparing yourself for some kind of a situation. You feel deep down in your heart of heart something is coming up, some kind of a feeling or a premonition, maybe for some of you, and you are resisting it. You don't want to face that difficult situation, so you are resisting that change or resisting that emotion that is threatening you in this relationship. Or maybe this person you are in relationship with, they have a change of heart, something has changed and they are moving away from you, for some of you guys. Or for some of you, there is some kind of sense, overwhelming emotion today. You feel something may go wrong in this relationship and you see the signs for it. So maybe you are having some arguments or some stressful situation in this relationship. But you need not worry, guys, because this is going to happen. Maybe the rough sea or rough situation offers you some kind of opportunities for mutual growth. Maybe you are growing from it. You will learn the valuable lessons you need to learn because you are facing these difficult circumstances today, and you will understand yourself and you will understand this other person in a better way, and you can be happy for that. You can be happy for for that lesson you are learning today, maybe if you are already in some difficult circumstance. So you need to just stay away from this from these emotions. Maybe take a break from this relationship, or take a break from reacting to the other person, reacting to this relationship, and this will clear things. And you need to understand that even this situation will change. This too will change for sure. So nothing is permanent in our life, guys, even our troubles. So it is going to change very soon, guys. So that is the reading with this card for those who chose this card. So let's see what is the other card. So for those who chose this card, it is an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, It just means that angels are here guiding us, and this angel card stands for love, peace, and tolerance. So, this angel guides us, helps us to have that true love in our lives, unconditional love, love for ourselves and love for others. And in order to have that love, we need to see the beauty of that other person, beauty of their soul, see the beauty at the heart level. So when you are struggling with relationships, finding it difficult to adjust, or finding it really difficult to find that love and compatibility in any relationship, this angel helps us to repair that wounded or broken relationships, and the guidance is for us to be non-judgmental with the people who are there in our life, find that common ground, have that mutual love, respect, caring, compassion for each and every one of our personal journeys. So we respect, just like we respect what we love to do or what is our life's purpose, same way we respect that other person. So when we do that, it brings that tolerance and peace in our relationship, harmony. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So you should be able to, if you want this love, if you want this relationship, you should be able to find a way to connect deeply with the other person through love, tolerance, and peace. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.